Hello guys, welcome to my channel Amazon GF. Today we will talk about the new Xiaomi Redmi K30 Pro or Redmi Pro. Look at its design as well as it is too much slim. I think is best mobile at $549.99, but if you will complete 1K subscriber target, so then I will add this product link in description where you got up to 10% discount. So, let's talk about its configuration. First of all, it has 6.67 inches, 1080 x 2400 pixels, resolution display screen and screen type Super AMOLED capacitive touch screen, 16M colors. It has Android 10.0 version. It has Qualcomm SM8250 Snapdragon 865, 7nm plus, chipset and octa-core, 1x 2.84 GHz Cryo 585 and 3x 2.42 GHz Cryo 585 and 4x 1.8 GHz Cryo 585, CPU and Adreno 620 GPU. It has card slot for external memory and it is available with 12 GB RAM and 1256 ROM. It has 4 back or main camera WHER. First camera is 64 MP, f/1.9, wide, PDAF camera. Second camera is 5 MP, f/2.2, 13mm, ultra-wide, AF camera. Third camera is 13 MP, ultra, camera. Fourth camera is 2 MP, depth, camera. It has single motorized pop-up 20 MP, wide, 1/3.4, 0.8 m selfie or front camera. It has fingerprint, side-mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass sensor. It has non-removable LiPo 4700 mAh battery. It has fast charging of 33 watt. It is available in gray, purple, white, blue color. Its price is about $549.99. And we will meet you in next video, so subscribe Amazon GF to get more video and discount, and if you like this video so please like and share my video. And complete 1K subscriber target, so then I will add this product link in description where you got up to 10% discount. Goodbye.